Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this quick get ready with me date night routine using Uncle Funky's Daughter for my hair, and I absolutely love Uncle Funky's Daughter. Their products work amazing in my hair for wash day and styling. I did do my hair like this a few days ago, but I've gone to the gym since then, and because this is date night, I want my hair to look nice and fresh, so I'm going to be doing my hair the night before. And because my hair is pretty much already styled this way and I'm just refreshing it, it's going to be very easy to part it and twist it as well. But I will be adding more product just so that my style does look a lot fresher and I can feel really good about date night going out. All I'm doing right now is just making sure that the two flat twists have good sections, that the parts are nice and clean, because when I do flat twist my hair and then I do two-strand twist it all the way down, I am going to have those twists connected in the back. I will link the video down below in the description box where I used the Uncle Funky's Daughter to achieve this style, and then I'm just redoing it for date night because, like I said, I want the style to look nice and fresh. Because I go to the gym now 4 to 5 times a week, I do sweat out my hair, and I want that fitness routine. I want to be nice and healthy, but at the same time for date night, it's a special night and I want to be looking my best. Now that I have my hair divided into sections accordingly, I am going to two-strand twist my hair, but in the front I am going to do 2 flat twists. My styler of choice for the two-strand twist is going to be the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, and I absolutely love this styler. I've been using it for years and I really love the way that it helps define my curls and it provides a good amount of moisture to my hair. So I feel like I have the best of both worlds. I get definition, I get some volume, and my curls are nice and moisturized. I have done many twist outs and I will also link the videos down below where I have used the Curly Magic, and my styles come out so good every single time that I use this styler. So this has to be one of my favorite stylers for this reason. I am never disappointed anytime that I use this styler. So I'm just going to continue pumping about 2 to 3 pumps per each section that I do twist. And I'm making sure that I do comb my hair so that I do comb the styler in. And fast forward to finishing this quadrant, here's how my hair looks, and it is so moisturized and soft, and I love it. And for the 2 flat twists in the front, I am going to apply a quarter size amount of the super curl, and then I'm going to apply 3 pumps of the Curly Magic and work it in my hair. I really want to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth and also very moisturized. I really love using the super curl cream because it's so smooth and soft, and also it has a really good consistency. So it's not a lightweight cream and it's definitely not very heavy where it's going to weigh my hair down, especially because I already have products in my hair. But I find that using the super curl really helps to smooth my hair down, and that's exactly what I need for this type of style. And now that I'm finished styling my hair, I'm just going to let it air dry, and then tomorrow, date night, is when I'm going to unravel the twist and then put the twist back in. It's going to look really cute. And fast forward to the next day, I'm getting ready for date night and my hair looks so good. It is very moisturized, as you can see, and I could tell that this styler is gonna give me a lot of definition. I'm gonna put this headband on so I don't mess up my hair, and then I'm gonna start to do my makeup. So as always, I prime my face and add my foundation and my concealer. I do have a few videos where I show you how I do my makeup. I will link down below, but I just wanna run through this really quick because I am getting ready for my date. And I really love the way that this makeup look turned out. It's definitely glam, but not too much. Now I'm gonna go back to my hair and unravel the twist in the opposite direction from when I twisted it. And I'm not gonna add any extra product. All I'm doing is unraveling the twist, and I'm gonna gently pull so that the twists aren't too confined together. And then I'm gonna separate each curl. And I got some good definition with using the Curly Magic. Now that I have unraveled majority of the twist, I am going to put the two remaining twists back together, and I'm going to secure it with the rubber band that was coated in oil. I also added this red clip because I thought it looked really pretty with this dress. Next, I added these hoops. I really love big hoops, and I thought they looked really good with the embellishment on the sleeves. And here is my final look. I also added some really good perfume I absolutely love perfume, and it's very important to be smelling good, not only on date night, but also for yourself. And here's my outfit. I'm going to show you my shoes first. They're very comfortable by Sam Elderman, and I also got my dresses from H&M, and my jacket is too. I really love this whole outfit together. I think it's very feminine, very flirty, but definitely fun because I love color. I really hope that you enjoyed my get ready with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.